Hey there, money movers! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we break down the latest and greatest in the world of finance. Today we're diving into the wild world of leveraged ETFs with TQQQ. If you're looking to supercharge your investment strategy, this might just be the ticket for you. This bad boy is all about amplifying your exposure to the Nasdaq 100, aiming to triple its daily returns. Imagine the potential gains when the market is on an upswing. That's right, you heard me correctly, triple the gains. But, as with all things in life, there's a catch. But hold your horses, because with magnified returns come magnified risks. It's not all sunshine and rainbows in the world of leveraged ETFs. TQQQ is designed to track the performance of the Nasdaq 100 index, which is home to some of the biggest tech giants out there. We're talking about the heavyweights of the tech industry. Think Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, the innovators shaping our future. These companies are at the forefront of technological advancements and market growth. When these companies soar, TQQQ has the potential to skyrocket. The returns can be phenomenal, making it an attractive option for aggressive investors. But remember, what goes up can also come down, and with TQQQ, those drops can feel like a roller coaster ride you weren't prepared for. The volatility can be intense. Now, before you run out and pour your life savings into TQQ, let's break down exactly how this leveraged ETF works its magic, and understand the potential pitfalls that come with the territory. It's crucial to know what you're getting into. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the fast-paced world of investing. Stay informed, stay cautious, and always do your homework before making any investment decisions. Let's talk about growth, baby. TQQ is all about tapping into the explosive potential of the tech sector. The Nasdaq 100, its underlying index, is like a who's who of innovation, with companies at the forefront of artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and everything in between. Just imagine the possibilities. As these industries continue to boom, TQQQ is perfectly positioned to ride that wave of growth. We're talking about potentially life-changing returns for those brave enough to jump on board. But remember folks, past performance is no guarantee of future results. While TQQQ has delivered some jaw-dropping gains in recent years, the market is a fickle beast. Before you bet the farm, it's crucial to understand both the potential and the perils of this high-octane investment. Now for the reality check. Investing in TQQQ is not a decision to be taken lightly. TQQQ is not for the faint of heart. It's designed for short-term traders who can closely monitor their investments. This is a leveraged ETF, which means it uses debt and derivatives to amplify its returns. Essentially, it aims to triple the daily performance of the Nasdaq 100. And while that can lead to spectacular gains, it also magnifies the losses. The volatility can be extreme. Think of it like this. If the Nasdaq 100 goes up 1%, TQQQ aims to deliver a 3% return. This can be incredibly rewarding in a bull market. But if the index drops 1%, TQQQ could lose you 3%. The losses can accumulate quickly. That's the double-edged sword of leverage. It can cut both ways. The potential for high rewards comes with equally high risks. And it gets even trickier. The daily reset mechanism of leveraged ETFs adds another layer of complexity. Due to the daily reset mechanism of leveraged ETFs, even if the Nasdaq 100 recovers from a dip, TQQQ might not fully bounce back. That's right. The recovery might not be as strong as you expect. This phenomenon, known as leverage decay, can eat into your returns over time. It's crucial to understand these risks before diving in. So, who's cut out for the TQQQ roller coaster? This is an investment best suited for experienced traders with a high risk tolerance and a short-term investment horizon. We're talking about those who live and breathe the market, constantly monitoring their positions, and ready to make swift moves. If you're the type who checks your portfolio once a year, TQQQ is probably not your cup of tea. This is a high-stakes game, not a set-it-and-forget-it investment. Remember folks, investing is like choosing a spicy dish. If you can't handle the heat, you're better off sticking to something milder. TQQQ is for the adrenaline junkies of the investing world. Those who thrive on volatility and are willing to stomach the risks for a shot at explosive gains. Section 5, TQQQ and the long game. A look at past performance. Now let's take a trip down memory lane and see how TQQQ has performed in the past. Spoiler alert, it's been a wild ride. Over the last decade, TQQQ has delivered some truly eye-popping returns. leaving traditional index funds in the dust. But before you get too excited, remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. The market is constantly evolving, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Plus, those impressive returns come with a catch: volatility. TQQQ has experienced some gut-wrenching drawdowns over the years, testing the mettle of even the most seasoned investors. Section 6. The downside of triple leverage, when TQQQ works against you. Here's the thing about leverage: it magnifies both the good and the bad. When the market is in freefall, TQQQ can plummet with breathtaking speed. Remember the tech bubble burst in the early 2000s or the financial crisis of 2008? Imagine experiencing losses 3 times greater than the market. That's the harsh reality of TQQQ. It's not for the weak-willed or those who panic at the first sign of trouble. This investment requires nerves of steel and a deep understanding of the risks involved. Remember folks, investing is not a guaranteed path to riches. It's about managing risk and making informed decisions based on your individual circumstances and risk tolerance. Section 7. Weighing the risks and rewards. Is TQQQ right for your portfolio? So, the million-dollar question: is TQQQ right for you? Well, that depends on your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. If you're a long-term investor looking for a steady and predictable way to grow your wealth, TQQQ is probably not the best fit. But if you're a seasoned trader with a high-risk appetite and a knack for timing the market, TQQQ could be a powerful tool in your arsenal. Just remember to proceed with caution and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Investing is a personal journey, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. What matters most is finding investments that align with your individual goals and risk tolerance. Section 8. The final verdict: TQQQ, a calculated gamble for savvy investors. TQQQ is not your grandma's investment. This is a high-octane ETF for experienced traders who understand the risks and rewards of leverage. It's designed to magnify the performance of the Nasdaq 100 index, offering triple the daily returns. But with this potential for high reward comes significant risk. This is a high-octane ETF for experienced traders who understand the risks and rewards of leverage. It's a tool that, when used correctly, can amplify returns and potentially supercharge your portfolio. However, it's crucial to remember that leverage can also amplify losses, making it a double-edged sword. It's a tool that, when used correctly, can amplify returns and potentially supercharge your portfolio. For those who can navigate its complexities, TQQQ offers a chance to significantly boost gains. But this isn't a set-it-and-forget-it kind of investment. It requires constant monitoring and a keen understanding of market movements. But remember folks, with great power comes great responsibility. The allure of high returns can be tempting, but it's essential to approach TQQQ with a well-thought-out strategy and a clear exit plan. This ETF is not for the faint-hearted or those looking for a quick win. TQQQ is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's not for everyone. It's designed for those who have a deep understanding of the market and can handle the emotional roller coaster that comes with high volatility. If you're not prepared for the ups and downs, this might not be the right investment for you. Before you dive in, do your homework, understand the risks, and make sure it aligns with your overall investment strategy. Consult with a financial advisor if needed, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. The key to success with TQQQ is preparation and vigilance. Investing should be exciting, but it should also be done with a healthy dose of caution. The thrill of potential high returns should be balanced with a realistic understanding of the risks involved. Always keep your long-term financial goals in mind. TQQQ is a powerful tool for savvy investors, but it's not a magic bullet. It requires skill, knowledge, and a disciplined approach. If used wisely, it can be a valuable addition to a well-diversified portfolio, but misuse can lead to significant losses. Remember, there's no such thing as a free lunch in the market. Every investment comes with its own set of risks and rewards. TQQQ is no different, and it's essential to weigh these carefully before making a decision. Good luck, and may the market be ever in your favor. Stay informed, stay cautious, and happy trading. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money moves.